Nobody knew I thought I never would forget you, for I thought then I never could. But time has taken all the pains away. Until now I'm down to hurting once a day. Once a day, all day long, and once a night, from dusk till dawn. The only time I wish you weren't gone is once a day, every day, all day long. I'm so glad that I'm not like a man I knew one time. He lost the one he loved, then slowly lost his mind. He sat around and cried his life away. Lucky me, I'm only crying once a day. Once a day, all day long, and once a night, from dusk till dawn. The only time I wish you weren't gone is once a day, every day, all day long. Once a day, every day, all day long.
Control away the pieces that you gave, betray in a way. Often I'm stuck on my back. How could you do this? We've been through this for a while. Once secure, now she's gone. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? She gave me a lesson not to go tonight, but I already tried. To latch myself out of your space, far away, until the distance passes its line. It's a new journey, my heart has had enough for pain. Once a fool, now I'm away. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? You gave me a lesson not to go